Candy here. I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you would subscribe, be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a finale to the Eyemageddon project pan. So if you want to see the progress we made on the shadows I was working on and why I will be bringing this as a finale, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. So, if you didn't know what this project was, it was originally created by Sophia+Mabelle, who will be listed down below, and it's where you create a build your own palette at random. You have to use the shades each 3 times and before you roll them out, and then if you haven't used them at least once within 3 months, it's an automatic declutter. And then I also added, if I haven't used them all 3 times within 6 months, it's also an automatic declutter. So, why is this a finale? Because I just don't want to bring this project into 2026, at least as of right now. These are the current shades we were working on, minus this one. Here, let me take this guy out. That is a shade from the Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette. I've said in a couple videos, my Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette fell off my desk and this shade shattered. And that is all that is left, is what's in like this corner here. So I'm working to finish it. But these are what was actually in the project. And all I had left after that were these 5 shades left untouched. Otherwise, I've touched every other single shadow in my collection. And I feel okay ending this project in December. Could I take it to January and so that I have the whole month of December to work on this? Yes, but I just feel okay ending this out here now. Let's go over the progress that I made on the shadows that I've been working on, and then I will tell you where I'm planning on taking this for the new year. So, we have Ensley Rain Clever. Okay, that is this one. Ensley Rain Clever is this one. I have 1 use. Then we have Ensley Rain, where's the other Ensley Rain? Secret Stash also has 1 use. Let's see. Sour Tangerine has 1 use. Cobweb has no uses. So, dropped the ball on Cobweb, even though I think it's such a pretty shade. Give Me Glow Xenon has 2 uses. So I did pretty good on that shade. I was super close to meeting my goal. Cold Snap has... Where is Cold Snap? Well, hang on a moment. Where is Cold Snap? Is that all the way on the front? Yes, it is. God, Cold Snap has been in forever. Cold Snap has 2 uses. Ladybug Glow Magical has 2 uses. And Give Me Glow Fiesta has 1 use. So everything but Cobweb has a use. Let me see. Do I need Cobweb? I do think Cobweb is pretty. I don't want to declutter it right now, and I don't have to according to my chart. So I'm not going to. All I had left in here was 1 Cleona shade that I've used before and I know I love, and 4 Pretties for Your Face shades that I've never used, but as of right now, I'm not going to declutter. So I will be keeping all of these as of right now. But where am I going from here? I will be doing, again, single Saturdays. I probably won't be bringing them to YouTube. I might bring them to YouTube Shorts. I should probably do some more Shorts content, or, you know, Reels, basically. But I'm going to start in 2026. That's what I'm going to be doing with my singles, is I'm going to make a wheel, because, you know, I love my Tiny Decisions app wheels. and that's where I'm gonna pull these in, is I'm gonna pick one once a week and I'm gonna pull a look focused on one of those. So I will still be getting looks around these, and I do want to be doing BYOPs either monthly or seasonally. I haven't decided, but just to see if I could get some use on my singles that way. But that is what I'll be doing. So I still will be getting use on my singles, but as far as the Eyemageddon project pan goes, I think I've done my goal. I've gotten rid of a lot of singles through this project, and I'm really happy with where we're at. And so this is going to be the end of this project for now. I might bring it back eventually, but for now it is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And that is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.